Hi, Charles Moman here. Well, we're going to finally put in the vinyl floor today. We roughly cut it on this wood on the driveway previously, a week or so ago, and it's been sitting in the house, so we got it out laying in the sun here so it's nice and flat, and we trimmed a little extra, so we're going to bring it in, trim it down to where we want it, and then roll it back and start putting the glue on, and hopefully it will go well. Thanks for watching. Well, the subfloor is finally done. Is it perfect? Nah. We never said we knew what we were doing. This is more of a what we did, not a how-to. But overall, it looks pretty good. We bought a big piece of vinyl from a local floor store, and then we bought some glue from, I forget what the number is. I could post it down below, but it's just typical adhesive for floors. And they said that we probably would need 1.5 containers, quarts. And we used 1 full container in the first third. So that was our first mistake. My wife, and she said to me, shouldn't I watch some videos, because she wanted to do it. And I said, no, you just put it on, just swipe a trowel, you'll be fine. And she was right. We should have looked at the video, and we would have seen that we were laying it on too heavy, because she kept saying, what do you think I got? It looks like what I saw in the videos. But I didn't really watch them carefully enough, so it's on me. And so when we were rolling out that first section, we were just pushing out so much. First we said, is that really air bubbles? It was so much extra glue, adhesive. And so we learned our lesson, because after we did that, then my wife said, now I'm going to look at a video, and she showed me, she goes, that's not what I was doing. So the next section, the last 2/3 almost, more than half, went a lot faster, and she did some of it, and then her back was killing her, so then I finished up this section here, and we started to roll it down. And are there still some slight imperfections? Yeah, I mean, you know, if you want to get it at the right angle, which I'm not going to give you. Saving grace for us is dead center, small aisles, what's going to be seen. The rest of it's underneath cabinets or the sofa/bed and refrigerator and all that stuff. So there'll be some area up front there that'll be seen, but it looks great and we're happy with it. I went ahead and bought a edge carpet metal trim to put here, so I'm going to put some wood along here, and then I'll put that metal trim here, all along the sliding door side, and then along the front edge. And so hopefully that will go well without any problems. And then I need to let this sit, I think, for a day or so. And from now on, I'll keep cardboard, this thick kind of cardboard that we used when we were mocking up things on the floor anyway. I think I'll probably have this laid down so when I'm working I won't gouge or anything, but some people don't put their vinyl, however they do it, where it's not going to be seen. They wait and then they put the plank style vinyl down the center. You know, that's good. And they wait till the very end. So maybe it's a good idea, but I wanted to keep it all one level, and I'm going to be caulking all around it. I'm glad we had a nice day. It got to 81 today, so that was a nice surprise. So there we go. It took forever to finally get to this point, but here we are, and we're glad to get it done and catch a nice day so it's not too cold for this adhesive. So I should have listened to my wife, shouldn't I? Yeah, it's always the best way. Thanks for watching.